Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electrical graduates and civil graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Hawkins Cookers Limited. So now they are recruiting job vacancy for diploma, graduate and postgraduate in following discipline, that is mechanical, electrical and civil. So these department people can make the best use of it. And company name is Hawkins, and you know very well it's a very high salary, and try to grab the job. Getting a salary of 1 lakh per month will be a great deal for you, I think so. The company website will be there, you can go there and check the details. Regarding the company has been established in 1959, and now they are having almost 2 offices and 3 factories, and about 700 persons are working. It is a leader in pressure cooker market in India and has exported since 1974 to various countries all over the world. So they have been sold almost 105 million pressure cooker and cookware worldwide. All Hawkins products are listed in the laboratories of USA, and they have been from February 21st 2021. The government of India has made it mandatory to list all pressure cookers manufactured and sold in India with Bureau of Indian Standard. So job title will be management trainee, and a management training program which leads to the job in the management category for almost 18 months. And trainee who successfully complete the training will be confirmed with appropriate increase in salary and benefits. And fresh graduates may also apply, and person with relevant experience may also start higher salary. So candidates should have almost 21 to 28 years of age. Applications duly signed, giving full details of the age, education, mobile number and experience. And if anything noted means, then you will be disqualified. The next will be for sales and marketing. So for this you may be posted in any part of India. The job involves traveling intensively, managing dealers and modern retail, and achieving sales target. May have the opportunity based on the performance to attend the foreign conferences. After some sales experience, promising candidate may be moving to marketing. Then technical or engineering, that is diploma holders or engineering graduates and postgraduates in mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacturing can apply. And legal means you need to have knowledge of industrial relation and intellectual property. And if you are good versed in programming like C++, Java, Aspect, HTML means it will be an added advantage. So below you will be having a link to apply. You can use the link and apply for the job, and they will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. So kindly have a frequent check of the mail ID and mobile number which you register for further update from the company. If you like this video means, put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical and civil graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.